Good morning and welcome to MarineMax Ocean View, New Jersey. My name's Alan. We're going to be taking a look through our new 2024 215 21-foot Grady-White Freedom. We brought this boat in full hull color, seafoam green. Does have the bimini in black. We'll go up, we'll go inside, and we'll take a walk through, and I'll show you how we option this boat. As we come up to our 215, you can see the new style White Yamaha with the electric steering, walk through transom, your ski pole, your freshwater washdown for the motor. Forward, you can see the nice Helm seat, back-to-back seat. There's your Fusion stereo. The Helm area. Seating in the back that does create a walkthrough. Your seating up forward, speakers, anchor locker. Your head. 21 is one of our favorite boats. Great riding boat. Great sea boat. This boat is here in inventory in the showroom. Any questions? Give us a call, email us. Thank you.